everyone. I just wanted to hop on here and let you know what events are coming up for February and how to find them. Well, let me start. February 15th is Birthdays event hosted by me and Mr. Pampered. I like Elmo, and it's his birthday in February. He will be 2.5. He's always 2.5. He doesn't ever age. I don't know what his secret is, but he doesn't ever age. So it's going to start February 15th. You must email me canvases that you are going to do by February 14th. I'm firm on that because I got to get it all together. The earlier you can get it to me, the better. I want you to do a small canvas, preferably a cartoon, but it doesn't have to be a cartoon canvas. It can be a small dog or a small cat. Does it have to be licensed? No, it does not. Do I prefer it? Yes, but it won't matter when it comes to prizes. Just a small canvas, something you know you will be able to complete by the first week of March. Because after you're done with that canvas, you're going to do a canvas you've been wanting to do, and you've been wanting to do it for an event, but nobody offered events that would cover that your canvas would fit and qualify for. That's where I come in. You qualify. You just have to start it. Show me tell me why you're picking it, and we will go from there. I want to do something that you really want to do. I am doing party time. I'm going to do an Elmo canvas, and then I'm doing party time. It's a diamond dots canvas, and it's a square. So those are my events. Not sponsored by YouTube, not sponsored by anybody. If someone's out there listening, has a small shop, and would like to make a donation for me to give away, let me know. Email me, pamperedwithdiamonds@gmail.com. How do you find events? Well, if you're on Facebook, I don't know if you can see that. Can you see that? Okay. It's Diamond Painting with Friends 2025, and it's on Facebook. They have the list. You can also go to Crafty Chef Diamonds, I believe. Yes, Crafty Chef Diamonds YouTube channel. She is the one that puts this list up, and it's got January to November and December. December, they always take the holidays off. So, let's see what. All right. So, with Diamond Painting with Friends, January is Ease Into Your Whips going on right now with Cat Hair and Chaos, and Designer Dragons with Diamonds and Stuff, Windy. They're already going on. They're almost over. February, with Shenanigans with the Bergs, is Heart Health. And March is Princesses by Diamonds Around You. Go check them out. Chef de Craft Diamond has the list. Okay? And you can find it on her channel, and you can email the people for the events in which you want to join. Diamond Painting Grandma, she also has a list on her Facebook page and on her YouTube. If you message her on YouTube, she will tell you what events are going on. You can message her on her comment on her YouTube, and she will tell you what they have going on this month and next month. Preferably next month, because I think next month it's butterflies. Not 100% sure, but I think it's butterflies. And then we have another let's see, give me 1 second. Let me pull it up. It's another Facebook group. It is called Diamond Painting Events. Let me see that. Diamond Painting Events. Let's see if we can. Oh, that's better. So if you go on there, they list all the events. So I'm going to show you February. February, we've got DP for Black History with Sam. And we have the Crafty Diamond is doing a mini canvas paint. It's a paint gym, but it's any mini canvas. And the canvas size is itty bitty. So go check her out for the specifics. Then the next one I have is host Lynn, Bella Art, Linda. Diamond Grandma Crafts is the Facebook group. It is butterflies. Yes, it's butterflies. So there's also by Arietta, the Crafty Coven. She is hosting books and stories. Go check her channel out. And then there is Chanel, Year of the Snake, Black Dahlia Diamond Art Events. Anything with snakes. I'm not a fan of snakes, but if you love snakes, this event is for you. And then there's also Retro Cult Classic with Stacy and Christopher. And the theme is retro. So I'm sure if you search any of those keywords in the YouTube search line, you will find Stacy and or Christopher. Put in Retro Cult Classic. And Heart Healthy Awareness with Yvonne's Shenanigans with the Bergs. Any canvas with a heart. Diamond Painting with Friends. Go check out Crafty Chef Diamond or Shenanigans with the Bergs for more information. Love for All Seasons Diamond Painting Event by Kim and Mandy. Any season. Go check them out. It's actually called Love for All Seasons DP3 for February. And last but not least, according to the event Facebook group, is Emma Casey DP Along 2025. It's with Sparkling Diamonds with Brittany and Robin. Any artwork by Emma Casey. Go check them out and check out Sparkling Diamonds with Brittany and Robin. They're a mother and daughter team and they're a lot of fun. And then if you want to know March, where's March? January, April. Okay, I don't see any March yet. March, there's one up here for March. It's Mad for Disney 25. Host Jennifer. Anything Disney. And it has to be licensed. And there are specifics for these other groups, but you have to go to their channel to get everything, all your info. So I hope this will help you find events that you will like. Oh, I might as well tell you. Year-long events. Okay, I'm going to hold my phone. The Great Drill Count. That sounds interesting. I might go check that one out. Whittle Down Your Whip 2025. DP Tic-Tac-Toe. I think Messy Girl Crafts is doing a bingo. I don't know if that's the tic-tac-toe. Tic-tac-toe. I don't know if that's the same event or not, but it's a year long. Creations Moran 2025 DP along They are a lot of fun, that group. If you haven't checked out that group on Facebook, you need to go check them out. They are a lot of fun. There's the DP Bingo. So the DP Bingo with Messy Girl Craft is something different than the DP Tic-Tac-Toe. So I may have to go look that up too. Whip Mania 25. I'm not sure who's hosting all these, but if you put those words in there, you should be able to find them. It's an Asian-themed DP Along 2025. That's year-long. Those few that I just mentioned were year-long. So you're looking for something to do, definitely go check those out. And I hope you come visit my event and you come see what we're doing. You don't have to have a Facebook group to be part of our event. My Facebook group is just for fun. You can post progress on there, but I want you to utilize the email pamperedwithdiamonds@gmail.com. I appreciate all of you. Like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think. Am I doing a good job? What do you want to see? Do you like the event shout-outs? I'm having fun with them, so I kind of like hunting and telling you all what's out there, because there's a lot of stuff going on out there. So I'm sure if you put January 2025 events, you will get a whole plethora of things. Remember, be kind to everyone you meet. Have a nice weekend.